Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can make a document in your normal camera in Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your camera and you have to swipe right. Here it is, more option. Click on documents and here it is written, please keep the document border intact. Then you have to take your smartphone like this and you have to just click a photo. Here it is, and you can see it is created a document like photo. This is how you can make it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.